her and Adrian and snapped at Adrian.
That's awesome. Hi. I mean, for me.
Jesus. What's she doing, Jesus?
Good morning, Jesus.
What's she doing? What is she doing?
I know you love having your picture taken.
Sometimes. Maggie.
No, I'm being sarcastic.
Maggie. Maggie, come here. Come over here.
Hi, Maggie. Good morning, baby girl.
Oh, boy, it's me that goes to everybody else.
Love you.
Like any rotten little kid.
She don't show up real well on film.
I know, but silly
In
boy's
light
sitting
or
there.
darkness.
Goofball.
Bella, can you please go put some clean leggings on or jeans or something?
These are clean leggings.
They don't look clean.
It's not working. Oh, it's working.
I'm not even sure they're on the right way. I'm good. Thank you.
Trying to film and you're too. He's a man eater. Yeah, don't you do that, Wes. Don't you do that.
I know.
Bella,
What?
come here.
Just get it.
Why are you eating my face?
Mean doggy.
And bring me your hairspray.
Aw.
Bring the
Jesus.
My big baby.
Jesus, your cheese is hanging out.
He's not squirming now.
You're being a ham this morning. You're being a ham this morning.
Whoa. He's like,